dispose of old televisions and electronics before a move to avoid hauling extra weight and to protect your data and the environment. Start by inventorying every electronic item you own and grouping them by condition and type. For non-working items, list the make and model so recycling centers can accept them and determine fees, if any. For working devices, consider trade-in programs with retailers or donating to schools and shelters, but confirm they accept your device type and will wipe data. For devices with storage, perform a full data wipe using factory reset utilities or secure overwrite tools, and then verify deletion by restarting and checking that no personal accounts remain. Remove all batteries and small power cells and store them in a non-metal container until you can recycle them at a battery drop-off, because mixed waste batteries are a fire risk during transport. Finally, package anything you plan to move using original boxes or sturdy padding and label boxes as electronics to ensure careful handling and to keep hazardous components separate. 3 common mistakes are trying to move heavy cathode ray tube televisions without professional help, which risks injury and property damage, so arrange for recycling, pickup, or hire movers with experience handling obsolete displays. Another mistake is neglecting to erase personal data from hard drives and solid-state drives, which leaves identity exposure, so use certified wiping software or physically remove and destroy drives if you cannot securely erase them. A third issue is tossing batteries and power supplies in regular trash, which can cause fires and contamination, so store spent batteries safely and take them to designated battery or e-waste drop-off sites. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors for removal and disposal tasks, and we host a discussion community where people share tips about where to recycle and how to prepare devices for transport. We connect contractors with homeowners seeking jobs and provide a forum for practical advice so we can all handle electronics disposal more safely and responsibly.